Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube with a small channel. So, I hate wasting your time, so let's jump right into the content, guys. All right, so the first way on how to make money on YouTube with a small channel, and the most easiest way, in my opinion, to get started is coaching, right? So for example, I actually do YouTube coaching. I teach people the ins and outs. I teach people how to rank on YouTube, also on Google, right? And everything that it is that they need to know when it comes to YouTube to succeed. Now, some of you may look at my channel and you see that I have only 1,000 subscribers. But the difference is I actually have a bunch of other channels that I also rank videos on, right? And I just understand the basis of how to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. All right. So that's pretty much what you can do. So if you are good at teaching people Amazon, right? How to get started on Amazon, teach people about Shopify. You can teach people how to sew, like all these different things. It does not matter what you're teaching people, right? You're just doing this so you can create you some income, right? Now, we all know the thing that's happening with AdSense and all the other things that YouTube is doing, but that's fine, right? With coaching, you can literally charge, $50 an hour, $100 an hour, $150 an hour. It does not matter, right? Because the more testimonials that you have, right, and the better they are, then of course you can start to raise up your prices, which is highly recommended, honestly. Okay, so coaching and also mastermind. So masterminds is a little bit different because with coaching is usually like a one-time thing, and then they're on, they can ask you questions, call you from time to time to figure out some things. Now masterminds are on a monthly basis, where you pay on a monthly basis. And the way that I've seen it done the most is where people create a Facebook group, and then they charge people monthly to be in the Facebook group. And basically what they do is they continue to bring value to them, usually on a weekly basis. So at least once or twice per week, they're coming in and sharing with them different strategies that they're learning, right? So there's two different ways you can do it. You can do it through coaching, right, where it's usually like one time, one session, two session, or you can do it monthly, where you create residual income, at least until people don't feel like your content, what you're putting out, is valuable anymore, or they just they can't afford it anymore. Then of course your residual income, like I like to say, is residual income is not perpetual income, right? So that's the first way. The second way is affiliate marketing, guys. Now, a lot of people will say that this is the easiest way, but I agree and I don't agree, because you still have to be knowledgeable on how to put together certain processes so you can really get that that return that you're looking for, right? If you don't understand how to drive traffic, then the process won't be as easy for you as people say it is. You have to learn how to drive traffic. Once you learn how to drive traffic, then if you really want to get advanced, like some people, when you get to the page, it's not what everyone else is promoting, right? They brand their self in a certain way. So let's say you got results with a product. Now you're creating a video showing how you got results, and then when they get to the page, they're seeing you first showing that, and then they're seeing the product. And now that's going to increase your convergence a whole lot more, because if everyone else is just bringing everybody to the sales page that was presented to them, then of course the person that branded themselves is going to see more conversions, depending on what skill level they're at. All right. So to flip it around now, we talked about affiliate marketing, but now let's talk about creating your own product. Now, the difference between these two is affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and they're paying you a percentage of the earnings. With your own course, you're going to get 100% of the earnings, but the only difference is all the sales letters and the entire process is not created for you in your own product, right? You have to do that. With affiliate marketing, and this is why most people say it's easy, is because everything is all done for you. The only thing that you're doing, and that I highly recommend you learn how to do, is to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Okay? So that's the difference between those two. Now, the third way on how to make money on YouTube with a small channel is to create your own video marketing agency. And I highly recommend that you create a local video marketing agency as well. So you can rank people's videos online, and you can also rank local businesses. Now, I believe that local businesses are a lot easier, and the reason why is because the keywords that you specifically rank for when it comes to local businesses are not competitive, right? And I want to show you exactly what I mean. So if I go to an incognito browser, right, and I type in Sierra Vista Lawyers, right, and Sierra Vista is actually in Arizona if you're wondering where that is, all right? So if you scroll down this page here, we don't see any videos, right? We don't see any videos, any YouTube. We don't see anything. We just see straight up words. Now, what you would be doing as a if you had your own video marketing agency, what you would be doing is trying to rank a video, and it shows up here when people are searching for this particular term, right? It can be any term, any term like this, where it's a city and then lawyers, or the city and then plumbers, or the city and then plastic surgeon, right? It does not matter what you decide to do, but you're trying to rank a video here on the first page. So when people are scrolling down, most people are more quick to if they see a video, they may click the video, watch the video. Now, if you do this, and this is actually a little tip, that increases the convergence a whole lot more. So this would be your title. So you would name your YouTube video Sierra Vista Lawyers, and then what you would do is you would put a dash, and then you will put the number, right? Because when you put the number in the title, if it's ranking on the first page, that's going to show up right here. So if they click on the video and they watch the video and they feel propelled to receive services from your client, right? So if you decided to go with lawyers and you're strictly going to do lawyers, then what you can do, like I said, you can put this as your title with a number, and if they decide to call the number, now they're calling the lawyer. But you don't want to forget a little process that you want to set up in the middle, because you have to know that he has to know that the calls are coming from your work, right? So when you put this in here, make sure I would highly recommend you set up a number, and then you use this number to somehow connect to his line or her line or whatever, right? But you got to have that middle process so he knows it's coming from you, all right? So that's what a video marketing agency is for the most part. That's specifically what you're doing, right? And of course, if they have a YouTube channel, you're ranking videos for them, you could do it that way as well, all right? So the third way, the fourth way, sorry, on how to make money on YouTube with a small channel is brand deals. Now, brand deals, they fall a little bit in the affiliate marketing category. The only difference is with affiliate marketing, you pretty much have the choice on what you're promoting. Now, with a company, you're pretty much agreeing to promote whatever it is that they want you to promote. So it's like paid promotion of, pretty much what they want, right? And if you agree to that, then usually it's like a contract, and you just have to put out a certain amount of content or whatever your agreements is with them. And that's what you will follow up with. And then you would basically be promoting any products that they want you to. All right, so that's the only difference. All right, and the fifth way on how to make money on YouTube with a small channel is freelancing, guys. And I'm going to show you two sites that you can actually do that on. So the first one is called Fiverr.com. All right, so on this site, this site is basically for freelancers, right? So if you know how to mix and master music, maybe you're an awesome writer, you like to write blog posts, or you just enjoy writing in general, digital marketing. Let's say if you know how to do SEO, right? Remember I talked about that a little bit earlier, is I do YouTube coaching. I teach people how to do YouTube SEO. I actually do SEO for people who, just they don't have the knowledge on it, right? And they're willing to pay me to do it for them, right? There's so many services that you can do on here. Let's say you're a graphic designer or you do video editing, whiteboard videos. There's so much things that you can do just on this site alone. Now, another site is called Upwork.com. Now, Upwork is the same exact thing. Some people see Upwork as more of a higher class freelancing site. I kind of see them as both, but I mostly use Fiverr. You can literally create, it's funny, but you can literally create an entire business with the services provided on Fiverr, literally. All right, so that's Upwork and that's Fiverr.com. But let me just show you guys a little bit what affiliate marketing is if you don't really understand it. All right, so if I go here, all right, so basically what's happening here, right? So this is a Nikon D3400. So what this person is doing, what is his name? His name is Chris Winter. What he's doing is he's reviewing this Nikon 3400, right? And then towards the end of the video, well, throughout the video, he's talking about the features and everything you need to know about this camera so you can make an informed decision on if you're going to buy it or not, right? And then at the end of the video, he says, hey, there's a link in the description if you want to pick up this camera. And it looks like he does a couple other reviews on other cameras in this video as well. All right, so I'm going to actually click on this just to show you pretty much what he's doing. This is actually his affiliate link right here. As you can see, it says ref equals, and then that's his affiliate link. And if I was to click on any one of these cameras and then buy them, he would receive a commission. So a percentage of the earnings Amazon would pay him. So that's pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. And this is how people make millions of dollars literally just doing this. Creating reviews on certain products and, creating those videos and then putting their affiliate link, directing people to it. And then when people buy, they get paid. That's literally a simple process, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and click off that. Now, guys, if you got value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to do so because I talk about entrepreneurship, business, cryptocurrency, guys. If you're interested in those things, definitely smash the subscribe button. Also tick the bell icon to be notified. And guys, my top recommended way to earn weekly paychecks is in the description box. If you want to learn how to earn weekly paychecks, go ahead and click the link down below and it'll take you over to a page where you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing to make money on the internet. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Hey.